So today, I got this really cool Milwaukee commercial sign. Came with the bolts, but it didn't come with the brackets, so I found some old junk that I didn't throw away, and the bolt holes line up perfect, so I'm going to make these into brackets. That's about 30 degrees there, so I have to bend those, and so I'm going to get started now. The next thing I have to do is elongate these holes by, not by much, by about 1/4 inch. So, okay, so I got the old jigsaw out. They're not 100% straight, but they'll line up just perfect for these bolts. Okay, so this worked good, and now I'm just going to have to get this on the right angle, and I'll be able to attach to the wall. Keep your old junk, you never know when you might need it. Okay, so now I'm going to give them a bend. I've got it lined up and come up about 30 degrees, and that should flatten that against there pretty good. Okay, so now you got to get about 30 degrees, maybe 25. I'm just going to have to do it a little bit at a time until it's right. Okay, all done. Got the angle just about perfect, and next thing we'll do is hang this baby up after I thaw out. Okay, so there's the finished product. I had to, you won't be able to see them anyway. I had to put a couple more bends in there in each of those brackets that I kind of made up, and the tricky part, of course, was separating them by 4 feet and getting it level. But it is perfectly level, so I'm very pleased. That'll stay up there. And it looks pretty damn good. Catch you later.